I want to show you a computer trick you need to know. If you have trouble showing someone on how to do something on computer, this is what you need to do. Go to the search box and type in steps recorder. Okay, so while you're typing it, it comes out. Click on that app, steps recorder. Now it's out, click on the start record. Once it starts, let's say I want to show the person how to browse a particular thing. And here I am on Google. I want to search something. Okay, let's take for instance, I want to find out what this is. And today is Valentine. Why not? So I click on this Happy Valentine. Okay, and scroll through to see what it's all about. Okay, so here it says the art of love. I'll click on it and then scroll through. Okay, so those are the art pictures. All right, good. So once you're done, click on the stop recording. Okay, and you will see here it will write down all the steps that you took while going through that web page, and then it will also bring out screenshots. Okay, you can see the screenshots and how we started. Okay, and then up until when I clicked on it. Right, so when you go through, you may just take off the screenshots that you don't want to be there. All right, let's say for instance this is cool. All right, and then these are the screenshots on where I visited. Good. So hope this helped. If it did, click the like button and show love. Happy Valentine's, everyone. See you in my next video.